Love Yourself Cebu relaunches its community center, the Love Yourself White House, in a new home located at Barangay Capital Site, Cebu City. Miss Universe 2015 and Love Yourself Ambassadress Pia Wurtzback led the ribbon-cutting ceremony together with Department of Health Region 7 HIV Program Head 𝗁𝗲𝗪𝗂𝗂𝗪 and Love Yourself Incorporated Executive Director 𝗁𝗲𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 free services to the public, including HIV testing, treatment, counseling, and life coaching to help combat the HIV epidemic in the country.
If they are reactive, pwede silang treatment right away, and then meron ding testing for tuberculosis because 10% po ng mga reactive maaari pong magkaroon ng tuberculosis. So meron din pong treatment para dyan. At pag hindi naman po sila reactive, meron din pong mga information to keep themselves informed and protected. Combination prevention po tulad ng PrEP, PEP, and condoms and lubes.
According to the June 2023 data of DOH-7, around 300 to 400 cases of persons living with HIV were recorded in Cebu. And with the increasing number of HIV cases, DOH-7 said that the Love Yourself White House is reaching to more clients for its inclusivity.
They have one of the biggest population or markets, and they're catering to more clients these days. And on a personal experience, I have a lot of friends who prefer to come here because they feel more comfortable because it's not in a usual setting, which we call the hospital or the clinic setting. And then I would also like to thank them for their continued support in our goal to decrease the number of cases that we have, those people living with HIV, because
Love Yourself Cebu is the only non-government facility that offers free HIV services. In addition to being a community center, they are currently planning to transform it into a cafe as well to reach more people, especially the younger generation.
So our community center right now, its vision is actually to become a one-stop shop for testing and treatment. At the same time, to be a cafe bar. So people can go here. You will see our mga LGBTQIA+, non-binary friends who are drag queens who will perform here on weekends, mga themed nights, and during daytime, it is a testing and treatment facility.
With the surge of influencers, the former beauty queen also highlighted the importance of using their platforms in supporting different advocacies.
Nowadays, napakarami ng mga influencers, and that's a good thing. Ginagawa nating hanap buhay ito, and walang masama doon. Pero mas maganda sana kung lalagyan natin ng value yung mga iba nating ginagawa. Okay naman ang kumita at maghanap buhay, pero maganda rin na gamitin to para sa mga makabuluhang bagay talaga tulad ng mga advokasya.
Love Yourself Cebu is inviting everyone of all gender to freely drop by the White House and get tested.
You wanted to be tested or screened for your status with regards to HIV. So ayaw ka mo kaulaw o duol na mo. Because we are really that open to serve you. And also, kung naagay tayo kaila or kapamilya nato nga ma-reactive or PL-HIV, dili nato sila dapat ikaulaw or dili nato sila kuhaan sa ilahang katungod isip tao. So we have to embrace them and understand them because they really need us. And you also have our backs for you to as a support system all throughout your treatment journey as Love Yourself. Because you cannot love others without loving yourself first.
You may visit them from 12 noon to 8 p.m. every Wednesday to Sunday. This has been Queenie Joligon of MyTV Cebu.